Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Kids. Today I'm super excited to be at the hatchery nursery. Let's see what the Hatchimals are up to.
Whee! What a way to wake up, am I right? Hey, where is everyone? I guess I'm eating alone. I wish I had someone to swing with. Wow, there's no line for the shower? That's a first. That was awesome! Come on down, the water's great. Hello, can you hear me up there? I guess no one was waiting. The nursery is so empty. Yeah, I guess a lot of the oldies have left the nest. That means we have room for more newbies. But where do we get more eggs?
I can help you with that.
You know where to get more Hatchimal friends?
Yeah, the Hatchimal Fun Factory. Hop on in, I'll take you guys.
Yay!
All right, you two, let's go get some more Hatchimal friends. We're here.
Wow! This is where we're from? The motherland. Cool.
Okay, so first you need to pick what color you want the eggs to be.
I want blue. I want purple.
Those are both great choices. And the rest you leave up to me.
I can't wait to meet our new friends. Me either.
All right, let's fire up the factory. I'll put in blue and purple Play-Doh. Let's cut it. Now for the egg press. Every Hatchimal egg has a heart on it. It's entering the printer now. And it's done. Here's the first egg. It turned out beautiful. I can't wait to see who's inside of it. But first, let's make some more eggs. Here's my second egg. We need more Hatchimal friends for the nursery. This is the third egg. I think we have enough magic left to make one more egg. Let's do it! This is the final egg I made. Let's bring all these eggs to the nursery so we can hatch them.
Yay!
All right, you two. The field trip's over and it's time to hatch you guys some new friends. Here goes egg number 1. As I turn the crank, the flower is going to squeeze the egg as it goes up. This will help the egg hatch, and then I'll do the rest. The Hatchimal just needs a bit more help coming out of its shell. Aw, look at how cute this one is! It's Sparkly Raspoon! She's purple and pink and also super glittery. She's gonna be a great addition to the nursery. Now Limlet has someone to swing with.
Whee! Push us higher, push us higher. It feels like I'm flying.
Let's hatch some more eggs. First, we need to bring the flower back down. Here comes the second egg. Oh, that looks familiar. We got another sparkly raspoon. A pair of twins for the nursery.
Look out below. That was fun.
Let's hatch the third egg. I hope we get a different Hatchimal this time. Ooh, I don't see any purple, so that means it's not another raspoon. It's Sparkly Draggle. Aw, this baby dragon's adorable.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm getting dizzy.
This is the last egg we need to hatch. We got Sparkly Beeble.
Buzz, 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 buzz. I love flowers.
Everyone at the nursery looks as happy as can be. Let's see what they're all doing.
Hey, Twin A. Look at how high we're going. I love the wind in my fur. Round and round we go. Faster, faster, faster. Ah! Whoops. Too fast. Hey, are you almost done in there? We want to be clean too. 5 more minutes, Mom. Slip and slide. Ouch! Hey, what are you gonna order? I don't know. Should we share something? Totally.
What a great day at the Hatchery Nursery. And this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!